Did you believe what happened to this girl after all her struggles? In a gentle cove where the sea kissed the shore, lived Lyra, a dreamy sprite. Her hair shimmered like sunlight on waves. Every dusk, she gathered the soft light of twilight, weaving stories from its glow. One evening, while the ocean sang its lullaby, she noticed a flicker in the water. Curiosity danced in her heart as she glided toward the waves. There, a silver dolphin, Selene, awaited her. With a playful leap, he invited her on a moonlit journey through the vast cerulean deep. Lyra, thrilled with anticipation, followed him into the quiet embrace of the ocean. As they swam, Lyra discovered underwater gardens, stretching far and wide, adorned with swaying kelp and radiant corals. Among them was a lost pearl, glimmering softly in the sea's embrace. Together they ventured deeper, uncovering tales of love whispered by ancient mariners, and the laughter of merfolk echoing through the currents. Their adventure sparked a warm glow in Lyra's heart, revealing the beauty of connection in solitude. When dawn broke, the dolphin bid her farewell. Lyra returned, her spirit brightened, holding the pearl close. Each night after, she spun tales from her journey, reminding others of the love that shimmers quietly beneath the surface. In the soft light, hearts found solace and dreams sailed beyond the horizon. Subscribe for more stories.
What if you could go from a simple idea to a fully edited video, scripts, voiceover, visuals, captions, without recording or editing anything yourself? That's exactly what Short AI does. It's not just for short. You can create horror stories, bedtime tales, historical content, fake text, Reddit, narrations, and more. Oh, and auto captions already built in, no CapCut needed. It's truly next level. I'll show you how it works. I'll drop the link in the comment section. I'm super excited to share this beautiful site where you can do a lot of things. So the first thing to do is to go to your Chrome browser. Don't worry, I'll drop the link that I'll be using in the description. Okay, so I'll paste the link and send it. Now here is how the dashboard is. Remember, before you use this site, you have to sign up if you're using it for the first time. So we select start creating for free. Now see, this is how the interface looks like. All right, so this is where this is caption generator. You can use it. You don't need to use CapCut, Ucut, or other editing tool for this. It has a different caption generator that you can use for your story or for whatever thing you're working with. Then this one is AI script. This is where you input your script. Just a short script, it will give you a full story. All right, or whatever project you are working with, it will give you all right. So this next one is Faceless video. You can use it for Faceless video. Then here is Ready story. You can use this, so you can convert Ready story and post it as a video. Then this is AI story video. All right, so you use it to create your short videos here. Okay. Then this is fake text. Use it for fake text. All right, as you can see how the interface looks like, to be as if you are interacting with someone else while you are the person behind the scene. A lot of people that are into marketing or thereabouts that sells products, they use these to post online, and someone might actually think that this is what the customer got, while it is the same person that is displaying this. All right, so the next thing is dialogue generator. Use it for dialogue generation. All right, so this is how the interface looks like. You can use it to create a lot of things. Can use it to create a lot of things. All right, so this is it. So that is it. So let's scroll down, and so let's click here. All right, the next thing now is to go to click this icon. So this is the icon, or this is where you select create. We choose the one that you want. All right, Ready story, fake text, AI video, superhero, AI tools, auto clip, AI scripts, caption generator, and thereabout. So we'll start with Ready story. Let's start with Ready story. So this story now, this is where you input your prompts. Okay, so this place is written custom script, or you can import it from TikTok. If there is any TikTok story that you love, you can copy the link and press in your link here and add your Reddit username. Then after that you post the description and the post content. All right, so this is absolutely amazing. You don't need to stress yourself. All right, so this is AI script. So this is where you input your script. You choose your language here. If you tap here now, you see different varieties of language that you can use depending on the one you understand or your own language. So this is the length, 30 to 60 seconds, 60 to 90 seconds, 90 to 120 seconds. Okay, so that is it. So describe your video concept to AI. So this is here I'm going to describe. I'll be selecting AI scripts. So I'll describe what I want. I'll write a short story for kids adventures. It should have a happy ending. All right, so this is what I did. So after this, I'll select generate scripts. So it's going to generate our script for us. It won't take much of your time. Your scripts will be ready. Okay. So this is the script. It has generated a script for us. So this is the title of our story, The Epic Treasure Hunt in Whispering Wind. So this is it. In a vibrant forest, a curious rabbit named Benny lived. He loved adventures, So there's the full script. All right. Okay. So this is, if you don't like this one, you can still type rewrite. It will rewrite it for you. So the next thing to do now is to select next. So select next. So this is what they're asking for, background style. So you choose the background style that you want. Okay. Let me choose this one. I'll choose next. So this is the captions that you can choose. You can choose any one that you love. So let's select this one and select next. So here is the place you add your gender, whether it's a male or female. You can choose any gender of your choice. Then you select the age. The person that is the narrator of the story. You select the gender. You select the age. I'll select young. Then I'll select the language, which is English. Then that is it. So the next thing now to do is to select the sound, the one you want. These are different voices that you can use. So let's check it out.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about all the latest news, trends, and celebrity gossip. Let's get it. This is the most expressive Indian AI voice you can find here. Let's make some magic, shall we?
So I'll select this one. So after selecting it, you hit generate. You hit generate video. So it is generating my video. It won't take much of your time. Your video will be ready.
A sunny morning, he chose to explore the whispering woods. He'd heard tales of a hidden treasure that sparkled like stars. On his way, Benny met Maya, the wise owl, and Leo, the brave squirrel. Will you take me on my adventure?
So this is for Reddit story. So let's go for not real stories. So we are done with Reddit story. So let's check AI story. So select this AI story. This is where you will type in the hook of your story. All right. Then this is where you start your hook. All right. So all right. Could you believe? Could you believe what happened? So the next thing is to add you enter a call to action here, like subscribe for more stories, or don't forget to hit the notification bell, whatever call to action you want. Alright, subscribe for more stories. Now, the next thing is, this is where you impute your story. Remember, if you don't have any story, don't worry. It will generate a full story for you. Just write in what you want. I said I want a story of Cinderella and her sisters. So the approximate character to type in here is 1000 characters. You shouldn't exceed it. So this is what I want. So after writing it. So now before you write in your script, you have to go to AI. Okay, so this AI script. This is where you generate your script. All right. So this AI script, before going back here, so this AI script, you have interesting history. You select long form jokes. You select bedtime stories. You select scary stories. You select life pro tips. Early 5. Okay, it's like a way to request a simple, easy to understand explanation of a complex topic. All right. So this is philosophy, motivational, fun facts, urban legends. So this AI script, it has so many things that you can use it to generate. All right. So let's go for bedtime stories. Use that bedtime stories. So now remember the thing I typed in my previous place. All right. So remember, I didn't have any story of my, I didn't have time to go to ChatGPT to copy all the prompts there. So they are going to generate a full script for me. All right. All I have to do now is to select generate script. So it will generate a script for me. All right. So this is the script. In a gentle cove where the sea kissed the shore, lived Lyra, a dreamy sprite. Her hair shimmered like a sun waves and thereabout. So it has generated a script for me. So the next thing is to select next. So after selecting next, it will ask you to select these styles. You have Ghibli style, you have watercolor styles, you have manga style, we have pizza style, we have sci-fi art, we have oil painting, dark style, Lego style, and Disney style. All right, so we can choose any one of our choice. So we have this pizza style. So let's choose Disney style. So after choosing Disney style, remember you can choose any of them. You select next. So after selecting next, the next thing to do now is to select these auto captions. Remember I told you that you can use this without going to any of the editing tools. It is completely free. You choose any one that resonates with you. All right, so I'll choose this one and select next. So after selecting next, they'll ask you for the voiceover that you want to use. You choose the gender, whether it's a male or female. So I'll choose a female. Then they ask for age. I will choose a young age. Then they'll ask for language. Remember, it has multilingual language. You can use English, Korean, Hindi, Portuguese, Spanish, Tamil, Polish, French, Turkish, German, Russian, Vietnamese, and other languages you can choose. All right, so I'm going to choose English language. So we listen to it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about all the latest news, trends, and celebrity gossip. Let's get into it. This is the most expressive Indian AI voice you can find here. Let's make some magic, shall we?
So that is for Indian accents. Let's read this.
Always be a first-rate version of yourself and not a second-rate version of someone.
Hello, I'm Alice from England, and I'm an ASMR voice available for any of you.
Hello there. If you are looking for a voice that can be used, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social media? Then I'm the voice for you.
So let's choose Hope. Let's choose Hope. So after choosing Hope, we'll select generate video. So our video is generating. It won't take much time. It will be ready. Okay, so let's wait.
Could you believe what happened to this girl after all her struggles? In a gentle cove where the sea kissed the shore, lived Lyra, a dreamy sprite. Her hair shimmered like sunlight on waves. Every dusk, she gathered the soft light of twilight.
Oh, let's try out long videos generation. Let's go back to story. Let's go back to AI story. Let's create now. Then you can choose let's try scary story. You select your language, the hook. Then call to action, subscribe. Okay, let's generate script. If tools like this excite you, tap like, and subscribe. I break down AI tools that save you time, spark ideas, and grow your channels, whether you're making short clips or long content. So here is our script. Okay. So the next thing to do now is select next. You choose the style that we want. So remember, if you are working with a short video, you have to choose 9 by 16. If you're working with 16 by 9 aspect ratio, you select here, then you scroll down and select any style of your choice. Ghibli style, you have watercolor, manga style, pizza style, sci-fi art, oil painting, dark style, and thereabout. So let's use Destiny style and select next. So these are the captions, a lot of captions. Let's select the first one. Let's select this one and select next. Okay, now let's select the gender. We select male voice, select the age, middle age. You can choose anyone you want. Then we select the language of your choice. You can select any multilingual language, whether it's English, Korea, Hindi, Portuguese, and Spanish, and all the rest. As you can see, it has a lot of languages that you can use. All right. So that is one thing I love about this. So let's check the voices.
Here, we have a calm, well-spoken narrator, full of intrigue and wonder, from nature, science, mystery, and history, with a smooth and velvety tone.
I've seen things you people wouldn't believe. Attack ships off the shoulder of Orion. Those moments will be lost in time, like tears in the rain.
Failure doesn't mean you are a failure, it just means you haven't succeeded yet.
I think I love this voice. I love John Dio. I love this voice. This voice is actually a deep voice, and it will bring out this story to life. So let's select generate video. So our video is generating. It won't take much time. It will be ready. It won't take much time. Generating. Now our video is ready. So this is the option where you download your video. You download it here. All right. So let's check it out. It is loading. It is downloading. So let's check it out.
Of life. What if it's the reality of life? The town of Eldridge sat in eternal silence. Its streets choked with weeds. Crumbling buildings leaned like weary old men, watching for visitors who never came. Anna wandered through the ghostly streets, a knot tightening in her chest. Whispers echoed faintly, their source unknown. She paused, listening. A shudder ran down her spine. Shadows flickered in the corners of her vision, darting just out of sight. She stepped forward, her footsteps crunching on the gravel. In the center of the town stood the old church, its door slightly ajar. Anna felt an inexplicable pull, curiosity battling fear. As she entered, the air thickened. Dust danced in the dim light, revealing long-forgotten pews. A sudden noise erupted, a crashing sound from above. Heart pounding, she looked up as something cold brushed past her cheek. It felt like a soft whisper, a disembodied breath that carried fractured murmurs of lost souls. An echoing laugh erupted. It came from nowhere, yet everywhere. Panic surged. She fled back into the streets. The town seemed to awaken with her terror, shadows moving, walls breathing. Subscribe, like, and share this video.
That is how short AI can build your videos, start to finish. No camera, no editing tools, just results. Let me know what AI tool you want me to explore next, and hey, check the comment section for the link if you're ready to start using it today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart tutorials like this. See you next time. Bye.